Hello and welcome to Lesson 22, Lily's Happy Hellos. This is Lily.
Oh, hello teacher, Nicole.
Hello Lily, and how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am good also.
I am taking a walk.
Me too. Well, have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Bye. Lily sat on a bench at the park. With a book in her hand, she enjoyed the warmth of the sun on her face. As she turned the pages of the book, she occasionally looked up and watched the people walk past her. Excuse me.
Yes,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm good. You have the same color shirt that I have.
Ah yes, we do. We both have a red and white shirt on.
Your shirt looks nice on you.
Thank you. Your shirt looks nice too.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye. Hello. How are you?
I'm happy. Today is a beautiful day.
Yes. What's your dog's name?
My dog's name is Max.
Hello, Max the dog. Have a good day.
Thanks. You too. Bye.
Bye.
Excuse me,
Yes.
can I sit next to you?
Sure, yes.
What are you reading?
I'm studying for my English test. I'm studying to become a teacher.
Oh, what school do you go to?
Mulberry University.
I understand. My name is Tim. What is your name?
My name is Lily.
Nice to meet you, Lily.
Nice to meet you too, Tim.
Well, I have to go now and finish my running. Have a good day.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hello.
Hello. Can you tell me where the shoe store is?
Oh, I remember. Keep walking and go this way. At the end of the path, turn right. The shoe store is across the street from the park.
Okay, thank you. I will keep walking this way. Bye.
Bye.
Hello. Hello, darling. How are you? Okay, I'm on my way to the shoe store. I love you too. Bye, darling.
Well, it's getting late. The sun is setting. And it's time to go home.